Yes, students. Now exercise 8.4, and we will proceed for question number 5. 10 very important questions are here. We will solve one by one all the questions. So first I am going to solve the first one. First one is here. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. See here, our student. What is question? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Look here. Here the two ways are there. Through LHS we have to prove RHS, or through RHS we have to prove LHS. Maximum questions we will prove RHS through LHS. So what is our LHS? First of all we have to write our left hand side LHS. Left hand side, that is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now guys, another thing is that whenever you are going to prove LHS to RHS, you have to see the RHS. You have to see RHS, and what is here? We have to change this particular LHS in the form of RHS. This both the term in the form of cos. So definitely here everything we want in the term of cos. So what we can do? We can write this cosec theta. We know very well 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So cosec theta at that particular place, what we can write? 1 upon sin theta. Minus cot theta, it's just opposite of tan theta, right? Tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta. In that case, cot theta would be cos theta upon sin theta. So here we have to write cos theta, and here we should write sin theta. Okay. Now it's a whole square. Now we should take LCM. What is our LCM? Our LCM is sin theta. Sin theta divided by sin theta, then 1 multiply by 1, then 1. Minus sin theta divided by sin theta. In that case, 1 multiply by cos theta, then cos theta. Okay. It's a whole square. Okay guys, this thing we can write in this manner also. 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write. And now our identity is well known by us. A minus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? This is a, this is b. So what we can write? A square means 1 ka square plus b square, it means cos theta ka square, minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos theta, and what is written here, that we have to write same to same sin square theta. Okay, clear? Now next 1 square, it means 1 plus cos theta whole square, it means cos square theta. Cos square theta. Okay. Now minus 2 cos theta. Okay guys, upon sin square theta. Right? Now look here. These particular things, if you are going to solve in this manner, so as I am thinking somewhere it would be clumsy, and what we want easily we will not get. Easily we will not get. What we are doing, 1 minus cos theta whole square, what we are applying, every step is correct. Every step is correct. But our all steps must be like that ki we should get our another side. Our right hand side is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Here now it seems difficult. So we can do one more thing. What we can do? in that particular place, if you are not applying that formula, so can we try this? What we can try? We can try 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. It is 1 minus cos theta power 2. Then we can write? Yes, we can write. And sin square theta, what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta. How we can write, you know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In that case, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Is that clear? Okay. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta, what we have written at that particular place? We have written 1 minus cos square theta. Now, what we can do here? These particular things we can write like this. See here. Upper side same to same. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Okay guys. And downside, see here. Here we can write 1 square minus cos square theta. Yes, we can write. Then one identity we will get. I think you catch already. It is the identity a square minus b square. Which identity? A square minus b square. It means a plus b and a minus b. So what would be our next step? Our next step, this upper side we are writing same 1 minus cos theta. Here also 1 minus cos theta, and here what we can write? 1 minus cos theta as well as 1 plus cos theta. Okay guys. Now look. Here 1 minus cos theta and here 1 minus cos theta. Both cancel. Now what is remain? Our remain here 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. देखिए यही चाहिए था ना अपने को. Yes, this we want to, and this we got here. We got, yes, it equal to RHS, right? हो गया हमारा LHS. हमने क्या लेके आ गए? RHS. So clear guys? Means so many ways are there, but we have to apply that particular identity. In many ways we can modify, but our keen attention towards the right hand side. What we have to prove, as per that we have to adapt our all the policies. Okay, now the same question I am solving the second part. Long question, then every time we have to erase board, then only we can solve full question on that particular board. Question number 2. See what is in question. Here is the question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Okay. Let's see here. Here also, with the help of LHS, we will prove RHS. Now we have to write LHS is equal to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos is equal to. We should take its LCM. Then what we got? 1 plus sin A cos A. Okay. Now 1 plus sin A. This 1 plus sin A cos A we have to divide by 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A will cancel. What will remain? Cos A. And here also cos A. Both will multiply. Then what we will get? We will get here cos square A. Okay. Plus then plus. Same manners, 1 plus sin A cos A divided by cos A. Cos A and cos A will cancel. What is remain? 1 plus sin A. Here also 1 plus sin A. Both will multiply. Then what we will get? We will get here 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay guys, this is step. Now we want here we want as a RHS 2 sec A. 2 sec A means we want this particular things in the form of sec, or we want this particular things in the form of cos, because 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So let's see what we can do. Every term we must have to change in the form of cos. So here look, this term we can write like this: cos square A plus A plus B का whole square. You know already, A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is A, this is B. A square means 1 का square plus B square means sin square A plus 2AB means 2 sin A upon. This you write just same to same, 1 plus sin A and cos. Okay guys, now see how we can write this particular steps. We can write in this manner: cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. Now you know that cos square A plus sin square A or sin square A plus cos square A, we know our identity, right? What was our identity? Our identity: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what is here? Sin square and cos square. If you are not understanding them together, I can write in this manner also: sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. अब look, this and this is equal to 1. So what would be our next step? Next step, 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. Okay guys, see then what would be our new step? 1 and 1, 2. So we can write 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. Okay guys, next step, 2 we should take common, then what will remain inside? 1 plus sin A upon, same to same we have to write 1 plus sin A and cos A. See here, all in multiplication, no problem, inside bracket. Here multiplication, here between both the term multiplication. In that case, if suppose between this plus or here plus minus whatever, then we can't cut. But everywhere multiplication between two different terms. In that case, we can cancel 1 plus sin A, cancel by 1 plus sin A. Now what remain? 2 upon cos A. You know 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. So we can write it 2 into 1 upon cos A, and 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. It means 2 sec A. और देखिए बच्चों, यही चाहिए था. Yes, that's all. That's all is equal to RHS. It means just here also we have done LHS. हम क्या लेके आ गए हैं? RHS means through LHS we prove RHS. Okay, LHS से हम क्या लेके आ गए? RHS को. Understood? Clear these things? मजा आ रहा है ना? Are you enjoying? That's very good. Now I will solve the next third questions of fifth. So ready? चलिए पढ़िए our question. Let's see. So see guys, what is our third questions? Here given tan theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay. See here also with the help of LHS we will get RHS. If we will get, means two ways are there, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Here we will apply LHS to RHS, and here not near about 95% questions we will prove LHS to RHS. So see here, what is our LHS? Our LHS left hand side, it is this tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay guys, whenever we are going to solve it, then first term we have to change these particular things in the form of sine and cos, because we want second cosec, and second cosec it means we require sine and cos. So we will change tan theta. What we can write? We can write it sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, downside 1 minus cot theta, it means cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, plus then plus. Here cot theta, then what we can write? Cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, and here 1 minus tan theta, it means sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, we can write it. This tan sine upon cos, this only we are changing tan and cot in the form of sine and cos. Now next step, upper side, the numerator we have to write in the same manners. We should write here sine theta upon cos theta, and here now we should take LCM. What would be its LCM? Its LCM would be sine theta. What would be its LCM? Its LCM would be sine theta. Now what we have to do? This 1 sine theta divided by 1, then we will get sine theta multiply in 1, then what we will get? We will get here sine theta. What we will get? Sine theta. Then minus. Now sine theta divided by sine theta will cancel. What remaining 1 multiply in cos theta, then what we will get? Minus cos theta. Okay, means sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta. Sine theta minus cos theta. What we got? Sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, plus then plus. Same here also. First we would write cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, and downside LCM, then what we will get? We will get here cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta, remaining 1, then what we will get? Sine theta upon cos theta. Okay guys, clear up to here? Now next, what we can do? Look here, we can write this term like this: sine theta upon cos theta. This will go upside, multiply sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta, plus then plus. What we have done here? Same to same here. In that case, cos theta upon sine theta multiply cos theta, okay, upon cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, is that clear? Now we have to multiply this, then what we will get? We will get here sine square theta upon cos theta in one bracket and another sine theta minus cos theta, plus then plus cos multiply by cos, we will get there cos square theta, and downside what we have to do? Here we have to write sine theta in one bracket, another cos theta minus sin theta. Okay guys, is that clear? Now again you have to take its LCM, both the term. Again then what we will get? See here, after LCM, in LCM sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta, different term, as well as what is here? Cos theta and here sin theta. Okay guys, so see here what will happen. Sin theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, अब here if you are going to see, then see what is happening here. Carefully you have to see there. If you are going to see, in that case, here as per the LCM, what is happening here? Our LCM is cos theta, sin theta, after it sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta. If you are going to see here, then let's see here the term sin cos, not an issue, only the difference of symbol, difference of symbol. If difference of symbol, in that case, this, if we are taking this LCM, then this would be the not the right way of LCM, because these terms are same, only difference of sign. So these steps, one more step you have to apply, and then we have to take its LCM. That would be very beneficial and it would be easy also. What we have to do, same manner we have to write sin square theta upon cos theta, and here sin theta minus cos theta. Look guys, this term I am writing same to same. This is same to same. And here now I am taking minus 1 common. Minus 1 common. Why I am taking minus 1 common? Because if I will take minus 1 common, then this both term will be same. This both term will be same. Or this minus common, then this plus will change in minus. This plus will change in minus. In that case, what will happen here? Cos square theta upon sin theta. It means same to same. And what will come here? Here also same like that. Sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, clear? Now downside, one more steps I can write. Yes. See then what will happen? Now we have to take LCM. If you are going to take LCM and this both the term are same, then this will come one time and sin and cos will come with it. Then what would be our LCM? Our LCM, look, our LCM would be sin theta, cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Now see there, cos theta, we are going to divide this term by this term. In that case, cos theta and cos theta will cancel, as well as sin minus cos theta will also cancel. So in what will remain? Sin theta will remain. This sin theta will multiply with this sin square theta. Then what we will get here? We will get here sin cube theta. What we will get? Sin cube theta. Minus then minus. Same manner here you have to see sin theta and sin theta will cancel. Sin minus cos theta and sin minus cos theta also cancel. What is remain? Only cos theta. This cos theta will multiply with this cos square theta. Then here also we will get cos cube theta. What will get? Cos cube theta. Now here you can see that it is one identity is here. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, या x cube minus y cube, not any not an issue. So do you know that particular formula? If you don't know, then note down with you what is its formula. Now we will apply a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b as well as a square plus b square plus ab. A square plus b square plus ab. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Now we will apply this formula. Now we will apply this formula. No place, then I am erasing here and here I will apply. Okay. See. Look. Now what we have to do? A cube minus b cube. Then what is our a? This is our a and this is our b. A cube minus b cube. A minus b. A minus b, it means what? Sin theta minus cos theta. ये हो गया बच्चों हमारा a minus b. This is our a minus b. Now next step we got a square. What is our next step? A square. In that case, a square means what? This sin square theta. Okay. After it plus b square, it means cos square theta. Okay. After it plus ab. AB means sin theta and cos theta. Okay. This particular formulas a cube minus b apply, and what we got? We got this step. What is downside? That we have to write in the same manner. Same to same you have to write. What was here? Here sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta, and another one is sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, clear this thing? Now you know that we know one more identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So can we apply here? Yes, we can apply. Let's try. Sin theta minus cos theta. This you have to write same to same. And here this sin square theta plus cos square theta, it means it is 1. It is 1. So we have to write here in another bracket 1 plus sin theta and sin theta cos theta. Okay, upon what is upon? Here you have to write sin theta into cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now see in question that what we have to prove. As per that we have to apply the next planning. In this particular questions, here means we have to prove. This I erase just as per the question. LHS side. Here we have to prove 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta. 1 plus sec theta as well as cosec theta. Right? Okay. So sec theta plus cosec theta easily we can prove. Let's see here. Everyone. So guys, look. We have to change in the form of sin and cos. In that case, we will get our answer in the form of cosec and sec. What is given in the RHS side? As per that, what would be our next step? See here. Look, sin theta minus cos theta, multiplication, both the terms are separate. Here also both the terms are separate. In between multiplication symbol, then we can cancel if any term. Yes, this same. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. This term and this term. This both term cancelled. Now what we got? Look, we will get now 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. ओके, या फिर हम इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 1 plus sin theta. Look, we can write it like this: 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now guys, what will happen? Let's see there. Sin theta cos theta, this term will also cancel. Now what remain with us? Here remain 1 upon sin theta cos theta. This cancel, then what remain? 1. So what we can say? We can write like this also: 1 plus 1 upon sin theta and cos theta. Okay, 1 plus 1 upon sin theta and cos theta. Now look, 1 upon sin theta, it means what? Cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta, it means what? Sec theta. So what we want, that we got. Okay guys, ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट, है ना? क्या हो जाएगा? 1 would be same plus 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta, C-O-S-E-C, cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta, it means sec theta is equal to RHS. यही प्रूव करना था हमको, यही था हमारा RHS. And step by step, if we are going to solve, then one by one we applied all the things, and at last we got 1 plus cosec theta sec theta. This is only hence proved, means we got RHS through LHS. Clear these things? Now next question. Okay, so it's more than half hour in this particular video. So guys, the next question in next video. Okay, bye.